For over 16 years, the Knights of Columbus Council 10257 from Boonville, Indiana, have conducted their fishing tournament for the special needs community of Warwick and adjoining counties. Our participants range in age from 6 years old to 70 years old and up. They come with families or with chaperones of group homes. They all come for the same reason. They know they'll have a good time fishing at Lake Last Cast near Dagonia Springs, Indiana. The fishing tournament will be conducted at Lake Last Cast this year on Saturday, May 16th. All are requested to pre-register. To do so, go to the information tab at http://kfcfishing.homestead.com. Download the entry and release form, fill it out, have your guardian sign it, and mail to Fishing Tournament 355 West Ebley Road, Boonville, Indiana, 47601. An accurate head count allows the Knights to properly plan for food, drink, and prizes. But no one will be turned away. Participants need only show up, sign in, and they'll be provided everything they need, including poles and bait. Registration tables open at 8 a.m. Check the map at the info tab at http://kfcfishing.homestead.com. There you'll find directions to the tournament. Lake Last Cast is located approximately 6 miles east of Boonville. Signage will be posted about 6 miles out of Boonville on Route 62, directing participants to the lake. Lake Last Cast is a picturesque private lake that for one day a year is transformed into a bustling recreation destination that takes on the feel of an amusement park. A great deal of planning and preparation takes place prior to the start of the day. This view depicts how we deploy to conduct the tournament. 2 large tents form the center of activities. Those are the sign-up and scoring tent and the cook tent. 4 small cooling tents double as first aid locations. Trash collection points and porta-johns are located all along the lake. Our plan for a good time starts with ensuring our participants and volunteers are well fed and hydrated. Hamburgers and hot dogs are the staple of nourishment, along with the homemade cookies that are served. We start by delivering food and beverages to our participants as they fish, and we continue serving throughout the award ceremony. 4-wheel delivery vehicles, which are donated for the day, serve as delivery vehicles. There are no strangers on the lake. All who attend actively participate, whether helping to bait a hook, measure a catch, fry a burger, or just casting a line and watching a bobber. In 2014, 123 people fished, 347 fish were caught, and at Lake Last Cast we employ the catch and release policy for the tournament. 2,377 inches of fish were measured, and the largest catch was a 25-inch catfish. All fisherpersons receive prizes. Plainly speaking, everyone has a good time. The strong volunteer force and sponsor base is responsible for the success of the tournament. Volunteers show up from the Junior Civitans in Newburgh, Boy Scout troops in the Evansville area, as well as many members, family, and friends of the Knights of Columbus. The most important ingredient, Lake Last Cast, and its use was generously donated for the day by Ed and Peggy Coburn. Sponsors include the IGA in Boonville, Reese Tire Sales, Anchor Industries, Knapp's Service Center, Stellar Technologies, Tri-State Trophies, FOP number 73, D&M Construction, just to name a few. All entrants are requested to fill out an entry form and submit it to the address above prior to May 12th. Entry forms can be downloaded from our website at the Info tab. If you'd like to join the fun, contact us using contact information found on our website, or call Dennis McVeigh at 812-217-8065 or Bob Hildenbrand at 812-305-3900. What we need are nurse volunteers, four-wheeler delivery vehicles for the day, and prizes. Once again, call Dennis McVeigh 812-217-8065 or Bob Hildenbrand at 812-305-3900. Hope to see you there.